What's up guys, welcome back to the new video, and today we're here once again to watch some of the worst drivers in the world. And before we start, I wanted to say thank you very much for your amazing support. I'm really grateful for it. And now, with that said, let's get this party started. Oh, would you look at that? Isn't that a V8 Camaro? And what the hell is he doing?
Oh my gosh, look out!
Oh no, oh my god. Come on, Bumblebee, you know better than that. That was a pretty stupid move.
Oh my gosh, right in front.
All he needed to do was just wait for a few more seconds and then overtake normally, but yeah, I guess some people are just special. Whoa, this looks like a Mario Kart. Throwing banana peels at ya. And another one. No one overtakes me, fools. And the police says, pull over, kid. Stop throwing at people. Alright, let's see here. A G-Wagon, that's good news. Is it being chased by the police or... Oh, what the hell? What? Stop bitch slapping my car, mate! Meanwhile in bitch slapistan. How arrogant you have to be to just... Whoa! Whoa! Nice reflexes, bruh! That was close. And what I wanted to say. Oh yeah, how arrogant you have to be to just go around and hit other cars with a stick. That's unacceptable for a police officer. Yeah, I know sometimes they deserve it, but still, it's not great. So, moving on. Let's see here. Whoa! Ooh, damn. If you ever find yourself in a situation like this, never do this. It's much better to re-rent someone than to end up in a head-on crash. Well, neither of the two is good, but you have to choose in a moment, so... Whoa! Damn! That guy wasn't paying attention at all. And now, where was I? Yeah, I was talking about the guy who ended up in a head-on collision before I was rudely interrupted. That guy also had an option to go right, but for some reason he chose to go left, and it all ended up in tears. So, yeah, you see, I'm not always mocking people. We also can learn something from their mistakes. Oh, whoopsie daisy. There goes the bumper. Oh, he's taking off. He's gonna run away. And yeah, bro, before you leave, smile for the camera. Don't even bother to run. In any case, you're not gonna get far, so... Whoa, damn. And I've got a little fun fact about those scooters. They are actually made out of 100% pure Chinesium. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's a BMW, so no surprise there. We're just gonna move on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Hot damn. They asked some Russian guy, how many times have you crashed so far? And he answered, you mean like this morning or... Oh my god. Oh, he's going for an overtake. And... What the hell was that? They don't deserve to have Russian plates. Real Russians usually crash in some spectacular manner, you know. But those two guys there didn't carry their flag well. Shame on them. Oh, this is one big cluster F in here, if you know what I mean. Where are you going, bro? John Cena! And the boss is like, don't block my way next time, son. Oh wait, there won't be next time because you don't have a car anymore. Oh my god, that was terrible. Whoa! Ouch! I didn't even know that Lada can go that fast. God damn. And plus that Lada is older than fire. Whoa, 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 whoa! That guy's like a Sebastian Vettel when he sees a corner. The F1 fans will know what I'm talking about. Right, let's see here. So far so good. Stop. Red light, red light, red light. Oh! Damn. I don't know exactly what happened there, but I'm pretty sure they both had red lights in front of them. So they're both guilty here. No question about it. Whoa! It's nothing for the boss. He can take it. Whoa, this guy drives like a maniac. Slow down, bro. No, 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 no. Oh, for crying out loud. What were you thinking, man? What did you expect to happen? To get a golden medal or something? I will never understand people like this. Never. And now we are moving on to a little bit colder areas in this world. Like this one. Oh, late braking. Too much speed and yeah. Exactly. Like the previous guy. What did you expect, bro? Oh, a rail crossing with reinforcements. Because Russians. Whoa, oh dearie me. That'll hurt in the morning. Oh my god. How stupid you have to be for something like... Oh, there's fire. Oh, run away, bro. Does anyone have a fire extinguisher? That'll help. And that is why it's always good to have one, just in case, you know. Whoa, that was close. Oh no, he bent it. I thought he was gonna save it, you know. And actually that brings up a question. Do you guys have a motorcycle? Do you have a license for it? Let me know in the comments. And which one is your favorite, of course. I don't have a motorcycle license, but my favorite one is BMW S1000RR. Whoa! That was ugly. Damn, that trailer went full Tokyo Drift. And the rest is history. So let me know in the comments about that question. Oh. Oh, thanks God, she's alright. Whoa, 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 free concrete for everyone. Oh my God. WTF to that. I mean, how can something like that happen to the guy who has the right license for the right vehicle? Who knows? Or maybe he doesn't have one. In that case, that would explain everything, basically. Ka-chow! Lightning McClada. The way his headlights flashed reminded me of something. One day I started my car and then got out to pick up some stuff, and as I was passing by the rear license plates, I noticed that one of those little, you know, plate lights, I don't know how you call them, doesn't work, and then I just slapped it, you know? It was like slap that ass. And surprise, surprise, that did the trick. Now it's working. Whoa, 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 it's a massive rollover. What the hell, blue car? Why the hell did you drive into that bush? Explain it to me, please. I need to know. We all need to know. Wow. Wow. Just amazing. Oh, pancake time. Oh, that's bad. This is bad. I usually like pancakes, but in this case, I don't. Not at all. Whoa, what the hell? He was indicating, man. Please, next time, do us all a favor. Don't go for a gap that doesn't exist. Please. Oh, look at this blind man. Oh my god. You could see him from a mile away, and he was just in front of you, bro. Come on, man. But anyways, that was just another example of a Russian who can turn left for some reason. Whoa, Beamer. I see you're taking it to the next level. Unlike some Russians. Oh, great. Perfect timing, mate. Perfect timing. Oh, look at him now. He's acting like nothing happened. You just made that dude crash, man. Not cool at all. If I was the guy on a bike, I would be pissed now. Actually, I am a little bit. Just watching that is making me sick. Oh, a truck going for an overtake? That's not a good sign. Whoa, 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 oh! Damn, what the hell happened there? One moment, everything was perfect, and then bam, everything goes south. That is some scary stuff right there. And on that note, it's time to end this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And in this video we've had some funny moments, some more serious ones, but in any case, don't take my jokes too seriously. I just want to brighten things up a bit. So anyways, please subscribe, leave a like and comment, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao.